Good morning everyone. I am Kalvi from Agency Final Year, GTWRDC Shazam. Today my seminar topic is water pollution. What is meant by environmental pollution? Environmental pollution is nothing but the entry of a undesirable substance. Undesirable means nothing but waste materials. The waste materials are mixing with the environment. This leads into the environmental pollution. And environmental pollution affects the human beings and organisms. My topic is water pollution. So what is water pollution? The undesirable substances are mixing with the water. The water is going to be exchanged. So it's called as a water pollution. So the pollution is comes from the Latin word volatilium. Volatilium is nothing but anhydride. We can say anhydride as a not clean. There are four types of water pollution: air pollution and water pollution. There are four types of pollutions: water pollution, air pollution, sound pollution and soil pollution. These are the four types of pollutions. In that I am going to tell about the water pollution. The waste materials are mixing with the water is going to be changed. Due to this change, we call it as a water pollution. The water is not safe to drink. And I am going to tell about the causes of the water pollution. There is two main sources of water pollution. There are the sewage and industries. Industries produce the waste materials, inorganic and organic. Organic and inorganic wastage. The wastage consisting of a heavy material such as the mercury, lead and cadmium. So mercury poisoning is the Minamata disease is called as a mercury poisoning. Minamata disease is called as a mercury poisoning. And cadmium disease is called as a Itali disease. It is caused by the cadmium and it is also affect our vital organs such as the brain, kidney and heart. This all of our vital organs of our body. Kidney, heart and lungs. These are very dangerous disease. Next, lead. It is also affect our vital organs such as the brain, kidney, lungs also. And I will now add one thing: fluoride concentration. It is not an heavy material, but I am going to add. It is used in the teeth formation. Very little amount we will be add in our teeth formation. If more fluoride concentration in our teeth, it is going to be change. It is going to be change in the modeling of teeth. If the more concentration of teeth fluoride consisting, it is also called as the fluorosis. Fluorosis is nothing but a modeling of teeth. Modeling of teeth consisting of a two changes. They are teeth is going to be dirty yellow color, and the teeth are going to be falling down, small pieces. Into small pieces. So it is about the heavy materials consisting of industries such as the mercury poisoning and lead, and it is not a heavy material but it consisting of a very small amount in our teeth formation. And if concentration of a fluoride is heavy, it occurs in the two changes. Teeth are going to be yellow and the teeth are falling into the small pieces. Now I am going to tell about the sewage. Sewage is nothing but a human excreta. Human excreta is a organic matter. When this organic matter is mixed with the water is going to be polluted. The water is going to be polluted. In this sewage water, the diseased organisms are consisting the bacteria and virus. Bacteria and virus are consisting. In this sewage, this is about the sewage. And next, thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is nothing but it is caused by the human activities, and it is a rapid change in the temperature. Rapid change in the temperature. The industry starts use the water for the cooking purpose. When the warm water is released into the warm water means nothing but a waste water. The heat are produced. Heat is produced. Due to that temperature is changes. The temperature is going to change. This is called as a thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is nothing but a change in the temperature. This is called as a thermal pollution. Agriculture wastages. Fertilizers and biofertilizers. And biofertilizers are consisting of NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The people are drinking that water, they may be caused of any type of diseases. It is about the agriculture wastage. Oil spills, oil pollution. Oil pollution is nothing but it is a major problem, and when the oil spills in rivers and lakes or oceans, in the oceans and rivers, the water is going to be polluted or leakages. It may be leakage of oil in the seas and oceans. And then there is a bacterium like